So this will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, as you can see right here in its folded status right now. Nice and compact, fits nicely on the palm of my hand, very nice. Versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you can see right here in its beautiful midnight green colorway, as you can see, triple camera setup and all. So let me know in the comments which form factor you would like. The iPhone 11 Pro Max, your classic big screened phone right here, as you can see, or what's coming out right now, these foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Flip or the Razer 2020. Let me know in the comments if you think this form factor right here, so you can see how small that is, will become a hit in the future. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. All right, so Z Flip has the Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM on this one, Android 10, One UI 2.0 or 2.1. And then the iPhone here, Bionic 813, 4 gigs of RAM. Ooh, you can see the iPhone booting up very quickly. Samsung making noises. So on that one, looks like I'm gonna have to give the boot up win to the iPhone, so you can see. And what is this? Activate your device? I'm not gonna do that right now. So get away from that. What is the Z Flip doing? No. Don't have a SIM in it right now. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and get started, man. Let's go over here where all the apps are, and then I'm gonna go like this. So you can see nothing in the background on both phones. Everything's been cleared. All apps caches have been cleared. So let's go with the phone app. Ooh, very close, maybe the iPhone actually. That one looks pretty close. And then let's see. We'll do the camera like this right now, and let's check it out. A little bit faster on the right. And then clock, about the same. Actually, my bad. Let me go ahead and get started on the stopwatch. Go. And we'll leave that running in the background. And then here we go with the browsers. Don't know what that is. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a search for Verge. And I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, you guys are the judges. Ooh, okay. Maybe the iPhone a little bit faster. The ad came up first on it. All right, what can I click on? What should I click on? And by the way, if you're wondering, the scrolling on the Z Flip, you can feel the crease here if you scroll. So just, if you're wondering about that, let's see. What is this? Just click on this. Nice and fast. And then let's see. S20 Ultra review. Pretty much the same. Very identical when it comes to the speed. So you guys are the judges. Slow down the video if you want. Practically identical. Calculator is about the same. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, maybe the Z Flip on that one. Let's see. Let's do a search for. Whoops. There we go. My favorite app, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. All right, install and go get, right? Install and get, let's go. Actually, nah, gonna change my mind on that one. Don't have time to install. Ooh, Amazon is faster on the Z. Click on this, we'll leave it there. All right, eBay, let's go. Ooh, a little bit faster on the left, as you can see. Oh, but a little bit faster here on the right. Click on that MacBook Pro. All right, Mario Run, check out this game. Loading on both. Ooh, faster on the left. And then we have the Temple Run. Loading. Oh, I think the Z Flip will take the victory on this. Tap to play. And we'll go ahead and close it out. I don't know if the volume's up on the iPhone. Let me check. Oh, it's up. Why can't I hear it? Oh no. We'll check this one out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both phones. And there's no volume on the iPhone. I wonder why that is. I think this thing is, oh. There it is. We'll give the win to the iPhone on this one. And then we have Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. I think the iPhone might be ahead here, actually. But you never know. The Z might catch up. Oh! Man, that was close. I think that was the iPhone 11. Slow down the video for me, guys. We'll tap play once. All right. And then gotta test the PUBG, right? PUBG. Oh, the 11 Pro is way ahead. Oh, man. Gotta give that to the 11 Pro Max, as you can see right there. All right, we'll just leave it at that screen. And then we do have Photoshop Express on both phones. Let's see now. No on that. And then it's this one. All right, now this is an 8K image on both phones. So what I'm gonna do right now is, let's see, I'm gonna choose Charm on both phones. And then, let's see, is there the same one? Oh, here we go, Charm 1. Both Charm 1. Okay. Jack this up all the way. They look different, but both are Charm 1. We'll just go with it, all right? I'm gonna click this. Whoops, mistouch. All right, take that step with a grain of salt, but let's see. I'm gonna save to the gallery and save to the camera roll. See which one will save faster. Think a little bit faster. Oh, I don't know about that one. Maybe faster on the right. You guys are the judges. Twitter. Faster on the left. And then we do have the gram. Whoops, mistouch. My bad. Let's do that again. Go. Oh, very close. WhatsApp. Give the win on the Z. And then we do have Snapchat here. A little bit faster on the left. All right, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. So you can see everything's in the background. Scrolling through these apps. And then let's just run through it again and see what happens here. See how they handle these apps in the background. Let's see, nice and smooth so far. And a little bit faster here on the, no. Okay, a little bit faster here on the iPhone. And then, okay, that was not a reload. And then we do have the Asphalt 9. Same place, no issues yet. Okay, a little bit of a stutter here on the Z Flip, but not too bad. Okay, this one. Right there, and the Mario Run. Mario Time on both. We do have the eBay here. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Play Store and App Store. Let's go. Same place. TikTok. Calculator. There you have it. The browsers. Still kept it on the same page. The clock on both phones. Still running the stopwatch. And then the camera. Let's go ahead and do like this. See which one will relaunch this faster. A little bit faster on the left, as you can see. And then we do have the messages. There you have it. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this form factor. This foldable kind of design right now, so you can see. And it's opened state. You have a traditional big screened phone, as you can see, similar to the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here next to it. However, the game changer is obviously this phone will flip down. And check out the size difference here between these two now. A lot smaller form factor, very much the more pocketable device. fits in the palm of my hand, as you can see. Now it is a little bit, it does make it twice as thick now, but I mean, just look at the size of this thing now. It's just very compact. Now this might be a major plus for some of you folks. So let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this form factor? Will this take off, or will people stick with a traditional big screen smartphone like the iPhone 11 Pro Max or a Note 10, S10, S20, something like that? Let me know in the comments. Or are you an Apple iSheep, rocking your 11 Pro Max? Do you have the regular iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11, iPhone 10R? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.